Hello everyone, this is Group 2 presenting our webpage, a non-profit organization to be exact for Earth Angels Helping Hands, founded and created by Ms. Ariana Joy Padua. As you can see, this is the homepage of our created website. You can also see basic links that connect the end user to the accounts of the admin or the founder.
So let's start sa homepage. May kita po natin yung title, home, and mga other pages and panels. The total donations, the descriptions, the contact us button, and the donate now button where when you click it, it will direct to the donation page. Now we proceed to about us. So ang about us, it contains the history and the description of our founder, the founder of the organization, mission and vision, sponsors that helps the organization, and the donate now button where you can always see it on every pages. So next is services. Services consist of our service plan, how is charity supported, why support our charity, partner and beneficiaries, contact page that directs to the contacts, and last is the donate button where you can donate everything what you want.
Project page that contains the recent project and finished project of the organization. We can see the titles and the image shows the project. Navigate and click the more view. Pag clinic nyo, ito po yung lalabas dun. So, it shows more description and images of the project. Each project has the same function. So, it's not hard to navigate every pages.
So, next naman is yung sa events. Then, makikita ni users dito yung mga upcoming events or mga present event. For example, ito sa feeding program sa April 26. Then, pwede siyang i-delete ni admin kung nagkamali siya ng lagay or nagkamali siya na ilalagay ng program. So, next is contacts. Pwede nyo kami kontakin dito. Makikita to ni admin sa admin page dito sa messages. Then, pwede siya mag-delete ng kung spam or nantitrip lang. Then, pwede niya rin naman i-restore. And pwede niya na i-permanently delete.
So that's it. Thank you for listening to the presentation of our website. We hope that we can upgrade more and finish it so we fulfill and finish this website project. Again, we are the group to presenting our non-profit organization.